Sai Hira Ram, everybody. With the blessings of Sai Hira Shah, your favorite takeout dish is now super easy to make at home. Craving street style Hakka noodles at home? Then this recipe is about to become your new favorite, I promise. Boil water in a kadai, drop in the noodles, add a little salt and oil, and cook for just 2 to 3 minutes. Drain the water, let the noodles cool, and keep them aside. Now, the real fun begins. Hot kadai, oil in, and loads of chopped garlic. The aroma itself is next level. Add onions and saute quickly. Then toss in some carrots, French beans, capsicum, and cabbage. High flame equals to perfect Indo-Chinese vibes. Add green chili, garlic paste, salt, and black pepper. And trust me, your kitchen will start smelling amazing. Now throw in the noodles and give them a big toss like your favorite street side chef. Splash in some soya sauce and tomato sauce. Mix, toss, flip. Every noodle should shine with that spicy saucy coating. Finish with fresh spring onion leaves for that final restaurant style touch. And done! Your hot smoky spicy Hakka noodles ready to steal the show. One bite and you'll never want takeout again. See you soon in another episode. Sai Hira Ram.